So today we're going to be trying to find Cartoon Cat. What do you think about this?
I think that we've tried and haven't been able to, so hopefully we can.
Oh yeah, our weapons, remember? We need our weapons. And remember, we need our weapons. I'm pretty sure they're out here. Yep, they
Where
are.
are our weapons?
They're on this table. Okay, so here are our weapons. I have my weapon, which is a fly starter that can stun him. My Grammy's weapon is a knife to stab him.
A plastic knife.
Plastic knife. So let's see if this will work. I hope it will.
Are we going to go for a walk first?
Maybe. Okay, so here we go. Don't see anything yet. Hey, Grammy, you hold the camera.
Oh, I don't want to hold it, carry it.
Okay, no, turn it the other way.
Oh.
Okay, now good. Now move your finger down a little bit. Okay, now we should see it. Come on, Grammy. You still holding the camera? We can take down Cartoon Cat, but I don't know if we'll be able to take down Silent Head. Probably not. We probably won't be able to take them.
I think the raspberries are all gone.
Yes, they are. But no one cares about that.
I do. Oh, darn it.
Grammy.
They're all dried up.
Okay, Grammy, give me a second. Let me take this for a second. Okay, give me a second. I need to pause for a second. Where's the pause? Oh, is it good? I'm going to place down. Where's the pause? Okay, I'm going to have to pause. Okay, pause. Oh. Okay, here's the camera back. Here's the camera back. Oh no, your fingers are completely covering the camera. Sorry about that, guys.